Very,
very good.
Good.
Very, very good.
We're done.
We are
Woo!
going into business, guys. So, hey guys, it's TMX. I'm Taylor.
And Macey.
And we're here for Block B Bastarz
Make It Rain.
I'm wondering if it's gonna be more slow like the last song was, you know? Like, was the last song even slow?
No. It was the dance. You know, like, Just Dance thing.
Oh, yeah! Wow, I'm terrible.
It was, like, storming and...
I think this one's gonna be slow then.
I don't know. Either way, I'm excited.
I know, me too. Let's go. Or not.
Oh.
Block B isn't really known for anything slow though, especially Bastarz. Like, they've had their slow songs.
Toy.
That looks nothing like Theo at first glance. I cannot, like, tell who they are immediately, which is screwing me up. I think that was... No, that's B-Bomb. The other one was U-Blot. Oh, Macey! Oh.
Did they just shoot us?
I think so. More like you. They shot you.
I still love you guys.
Love this song though. Just totally U-Blot that one. It's moments like this where Theo reminds me of Top. You know what I mean? Like the kind of crazy thing. Yukon is growing on me so much. He's added to my bias list. Thank you very much. You got P.O., okay.
We have everyone else.
I only have Tail and Zico.
And now you can.
I love that. I like how it's a lot of like upside down angles and stuff. Like at first that kind of like took me up. It's like fun. They're video game thing. I just didn't know that. Oh, that was cool. Ugh. So, were we fans of Block B? Oh, we had one comeback, Toy. Yeah. So, like...
I'm a toy.
Not any, like, pumped up jammy songs. My hair tie broke. So, I didn't really know... I mean, the only Bastarz song I know is Zero for Conduct. And because it's like jammy. It's like I just feel like I'm saying jammy. It's like pajamas whenever I say jammy. Anyways, it's like more my style. And so I didn't know that they would come out with two songs because it's a subgroup.
Yeah.
So you don't really think they'd have like, oh, like a solo or something. But I really like both of these songs.
I really like the chorus part, like the right before
Make
the
It
chorus.
Rain.
Yeah.
I love
Like even
that
the drop right before it. I like
the drop.
That was
You
the
think-
word?
Yeah, it was. starting to get into my music.
Chin.
No. P.O. If you're not going to appreciate P.O. and how good he looked in that video,
I appreciate
I will gladly take off that.
I appreciate
But
him.
Yukon looks so good. I'm surprised you're not a bigger fan of B-Bomb. Because his voice, he had the falsetto.
Okay, you don't know
He had the falsetto.
You don't know what goes on in my head.
Do you like B-Bomb now?
I do, but I also like P.O.
You can have P.O. and B-Bomb. I'll let you be a...
Thanks.
I'll let you be a bad a fangirl as I am.
You let me have 2 favorites?
Yes, I'll let you have 2 favorites. Anyways, I've needed new jam-style songs to listen to, so... I guess that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to...
Like, subscribe to our social media.
Bye!
Bye!